Trump tweets to Apple CEO Tim Cook for removing iPhone home button. U.S. President Donald Trump on Friday tweeted to Apple CEO Tim Cook for removing iPhone home button. To Tim, the button on the iPhone was far better than the swipe. The U.S. president wrote in the tweet, Apple started selling iPhones without home buttons with the introduction of the iPhone X in 2017. Amazon reports first earnings miss in 2 years. Shares fall 9%. E-commerce giant Amazon on Thursday posted its third-quarter earnings report, which marked the first time that earnings at the company shrunk year-over-year since 2017. Amazon posted a lower-than-expected profit of $2.1 billion, lower than the $2.9 billion in the same quarter last year. Amazon shares plummeted as much as nearly 9% in after-hours trading after the earnings call. Google genuinely struggling with transparency. CEO Sundar Pichai Google CEO Sundar Pichai told employees that the technology giant was genuinely struggling with some issues like transparency. A leaked video of a meeting obtained by The Washington Post revealed Pichai and other top executives sought to pacify employee discontent. They also defended the hiring of Miles Taylor, a former U.S. government official who had defended Muslim travel ban.